For my Efo Riro, I'm going to be using some Callaloo. So what I'm going to do is just to pick and cut this, and then I'm going to blanch my vegetables. I'm just going to be removing the woody stems. If the stem is soft and flexible, I'll leave it. If it's hard, I'm going to get it out. And I'll also be removing this part. Now I'm going to chop my peppers. Now it's time to start cooking. I'm going to pour some palm oil into my pot. Once the oil is warm, I'm going to add in some onions, and some locust beans. And then I'm going to leave this to fry. Next, I'm going to add my blended pepper mix. and I'm just going to leave this to fry. Now I'm going to add some seasoning cubes, a little bit of salt, and some crayfish. I added a little bit of salt because the locust beans, the seasoning cubes, the crayfish, and my meats are already salty. So once I'm done making the Efo Riro, if it needs more salt, I can always add more. But if I put too much now, I wouldn't be able to take out the salt. So I'll mix this. Then I'm going to add my meats. I have some kidneys, cowleg, oxtail, ponmo, shaki, some peppers, the works. Now I'm going to cover this and let it steam for about 5 minutes. So it's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to add the rest of my crayfish. And now I'm going to add my callaloo. I already blanched this and drained all the water. The vegetables have released some liquid into the soup, so the veggies have released some liquid into the soup, so it's easier to mix now. Now I'm going to taste for salt. The salt is enough. I don't need to add any extra. Like I said, I used Now I'm going to taste for salt. The salt is enough. I don't need any extra, so it's good I didn't put too much salt in the beginning. And this is how it looks. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and also leave a comment in the comment section below on what you think about this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video, which is every Saturday by 12 p.m. Eastern Time or 5 p.m. West African Time. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.